Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to look at another topic which is very interesting. Okay, so we are going to look at the characteristics that men look into if they want to marry a lady. Yes, the things that men look into if they want to marry a lady. You understand? So these are the things we are going to look at. This video especially goes for ladies, those ladies that normally ask themselves questions. How am I going to marry this man? I just love him. I don't know. They'll be asking themselves, I don't know what to do. All those things. So this video, it will help you to know the things that men love mostly in woman. You understand? So what men really love about woman, and what men really love, or they want to make, like they want to make woman as their wife. You understand? What they consider, what they look into if they want to marry what a lady. You understand? So we are going to learn what from this video. Okay, then I'll read them out one after the other, so that you as a lady, you can also what learn. You as a man, I know men, these are men secrets I'm looking at from women out there. Okay, these are the secrets what I just want to mention out for ladies, so that they will have it in back of their mind. They will know the point, the weakening point about men. You understand? So let's get started without not wasting what much time. So number one is what? Do what he asks you to do without what question. Yes, men love that. Ladies, are you listening to me? Men love that. Men consider this as part of it. You understand? That a lady that humble themselves, whenever they ask them to do something, they don't ask questions immediately. They just do it. You understand? So any man that you are dating, you know, is asking you, oh please, can you help me to wash these clothes, or can you help me to buy something? You understand? You know, there are some ladies out there that will just be saying, you know, they'll be questioning, oh, what is the essence? No, I don't have strength. You know, they'll be complaining one thing and the other. You know, so men, they look at those characters. If you are a woman that normally question your demand, you understand, question the man, so the man will be looking at you, oh, you know, this woman, if I get married to this woman, so she will continue to be questioning me. You understand? So these are the things that as a lady, whenever he asks you to do anything for him, don't just what question him. Just do whatever he asks you to do. I'm not saying in a bad way, in a good way. You understand? So that is for that. So men, these are what secrets about men. Okay. Another one again I'm going to look at is what? Maintain yourself as a lady. Yes, be sparking, be beautiful, look. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is that you as a lady, you need to look gorgeous. You need to look you need to look what beautiful. You need to look attractive, because men, they love attractive things. They love beautiful things. That is one secret about them. I'm telling you the secret. You understand? So you as a lady, you don't need to look, you know, dirty or anyhow, unkempt and all those things. You have to look beautiful, naturally. You understand? So these are the things that men love. You understand? If they want to make a woman their wife, they consider all those characters. I'm just mentioning them to you right now. You understand? They look at those characters very well. Because a woman that cannot maintain herself, even when you don't even have children, okay, how much more if you get married to you, then you have children? How are you going to maintain yourself? You understand? So the man will think, say, she's a single and she cannot maintain herself. By the time I got married to her, can she even maintain herself? You understand? Men, they are very wise, they are very smart. You understand? They are very smart and calculative. You understand? So you as a lady, you need to be what? Beautiful. Look what? Attractive. You understand? So men, they look at those things. By the time your nails are well, you know, neat, your hair is well dressed, you know, light makeup, the way you dress yourself. People want this armpit of yours. You as a lady, there are some ladies that are using barber their armpits. You understand? Your private parts, all those parts, roll on it, perfume, everything, perfect dress, you know, decent way. They make up in a decent way. You understand? Your hair must be what? Be neat. There are some ladies that are there 3 months, 4 months, they will not even change their hair. You understand? Even make up anyhow, they will not even do. Even their armpits, they cannot scrape. Even their private parts, they will not even do. You understand? They cannot even maintain themselves. You as a single person, you cannot maintain yourself. How much more if you have children out there? So how are you going to maintain yourself? You understand? So men, they look at this thing very well. A woman that can maintain herself, they always consider that kind of woman as their what? Wife. You understand? So another one we're going to look at again is what? Trust him with your personal things. Yes. trust him with your personal things. You as a lady, you have to trust your man with your personal things. Men love these things, you understand? So what am I trying to say is that maybe things like money, maybe you have cars, your personal belongings, you understand? So all those things. So by the time you free yourself with him, maybe you want to use your car, you don't grumble, you don't change your mood, you don't change your face, you understand? Or maybe you want to use your money, for example, or anything, you understand? Your personal things, you understand? You don't you don't look suspicious, you understand? The more you free yourself, so the more will consider, if I marry this lady, wow, she just free herself. She's a woman material, you understand? If I marry her, she will even free most of her things for me, understand? So you know there are some ladies as they don't free themselves, they don't free their personal things with their fiancé or with their boyfriend or with anybody, you understand? They just keep it to themselves because they say, no, I cannot share it with anybody, you know, I don't trust him, all those things. So by the time you allow him, you trust him with your personal things, the man will have that trust for you. You will think of, oh, maybe if I got married to this woman, she will make a good wife. You understand? So that is what for that. Another one again we're going to look at is what? Give him space. Exactly. Yeah. Men love what? Woman that give them space every time. You don't always want him to be around you 24 hours of the day. Come on. Has work to do, he has a lot of things, he has friends even before he meets you, you understand? So give him time, free him, you understand? Because that time you are giving him is for your personal use, for move with friends, to have fun, you know, to other things for himself, you understand? So you have to what? Free him for that, okay? Give him more space. Not every time be asking, oh, where are you? Oh, you didn't call me, you didn't do that, you understand? No, all these things, if the man will consider, if I marry this woman, I've not even married this woman. Look at the way she's just pressuring me, disturbing me every minute, every second. You know, I know it's part of love, but they don't love those things. You understand? Always give them what? Space. Yes, give them what? Space. Another one again we're going to look at is what? Be there for him. Yes. How can you be there for him? Men, they consider this very well. You understand? They consider this. Okay, how can you be there for him? Maybe if the man has a problem, you have to be there for him, either for bad or for good or for better, for worse. You understand? Okay, let's say for example now he has problem, you just run away. It's only when everything is just beautiful or is good, he has money or receives salary, you just be there. You think men are fool? Men, they are not fool. They are very smart and intelligent. I'm telling you the secret. They observe, you understand? So if you want the man to marry you, so you have to abide to these rules. And I bet you you're not going to regret it. You understand? So when you are there for him, for bad and good, he will consider you to even marry you. Understand? He will love to marry you. You understand? He will have that thought to even marry you because you know that even when he does not even have, or even when he has problems, you are there. Even when there is no problem, you are still there. Which man is not going to marry you? Man will definitely marry that kind of what? A lady. You understand? That is there for bad or for good, you understand, for good time or for bad time, you understand? So you as a lady, you don't need to be there when there is celebration, when the man receives salary, when the man has money, when the man has all those things, you understand? So if the man does not even have money, then you shake your nyash, you just say, oh, bye-bye, I cannot, stop calling me, you know, all those things. May consider all those things. If you are that kind of lady that if there is man, the man have money or the man have things, you'll be there. I bet you, no man want to put that kind of woman at home, okay? I'm telling you the secret. No man wants to put that kind of woman at home, okay? Because the man will be very scared that if one day he ends up, he doesn't have anything, you will run away. You understand? You call up the marriage, okay? So that's for that. Another one again we're going to look at is what? Be financial or dependent. Yes, men love this very well. They consider this in the life of a woman that they want to marry, okay? If you are a woman, you don't have to be like everything you depend on the man. If you are a woman, you have to have something to what to do. Men love those things. Men consider all those things. If you look at you, this my woman, she's just you know, independent. You understand? She didn't depend on my things. She didn't, you know, she has your own money or you have your own personal things doing. You understand? She's not that kind of lazy type. She's very, she's very strong. She know how to hustle and all those things. You understand? So men, they consider all those things. Why are they considering all those things? That by the time maybe one day there's no money or there's one problem at the other, you feel that you as a lady, you know, you go to school, you have handwork or one thing at the other, you have business doing or one thing that's bringing more money. You understand? So you feel that whenever he has problem, you as a woman, you can also what? supporting. You understand? So these are the things that men look into, because nowadays, this is modern life. No man wants to put a liability. No man wants a liability. You understand? No man wants to marry a woman and become a liability. You don't have anything to contribute to the man life. No man wants to do that for you. Okay? You as a woman, you have to find something doing. Even though you do not go to school, try much and possible to have what handworking. Okay? Try much and possible to be busy and to be doing something that will bring you what money. Exactly, you understand? So these are the things that men look into if they want to get married to a lady. You understand? They're not fools. They're very intelligent when it comes to selecting of what wife or to make a wife. Okay. Another way again we're going to look at is what complimenting. Yes, exactly. So complimenting. What is the compliment is all about? Sometimes just admire him, saying good words, saying how handsome he is, how lovely, how wonderful, those compliments of things, you understand? Sometimes you just admire, you say, why are you looking at me? You understand? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, come on, you say, wow, you are very handsome. Wow, God really take the time to create you very well, you understand? Wow, I'm happy to even have him in my life. There are some ways to say to a man, the man head, will be like, will be proud, you understand? So these are the things you have to want to compliment him, you understand? So that is for that. Another one again we're going to look at is learn to take a joke. Yes, there are some men. Sometimes they just say, go away, you that your leg look like a K-leg, or you that your hair look like big yam, all those kind of things. Sometimes they used to make jokes with their woman, you understand? So you as a lady, you don't have to be hungry for those things, because sometimes it's trying to know the kind of person you are. You understand? It's trying to pull your leg. It's trying to know if you take joke or if you doesn't take joke. If any little things just say to you, whether you always keep it in mind. You understand? So you want to know the kind of person you really are. So sometimes when he's saying something like joke like that, always take it as joke. You understand? Don't take it serious. You understand? Because men, they always do that. They always want to know the kind of person you are. Okay? So that is for that. Another way again we're going to look at is be serious when it is necessary. Yes, be serious when it is necessary. What do I mean by that is that maybe there are some characters that you just perform outside. For example, maybe your fiancé or your guy just insulted one elderly person like that, or one character, you understand? Or maybe just perform some character you know that is not good, you understand? We human beings, one person can be doing bad thing while the other one is doing something wrong, right. So what I'm trying to say is that if you as a lady, you see your man doing something wrong, you can correct him, you understand, but not immediately. There are so many ways you can correct him, you understand? That is why I told you need to be serious when it is necessary. Maybe this something stupid or something like you don't really like as a lady. Come on, you voice it out for him. Oh, this thing you just did, I don't really like it. What did you insult that elderly man? Don't you know he's old enough to even be your father? All those kind of things, you understand? You just voice it, just be serious. Don't just when you are serious, you really see your action. Oh, what you just did out there, or what you did to her, she doesn't like it. Then the man will correct, you understand? You correct yourself. You say, oh, this woman, anytime maybe I marry her, anytime I did something stupid or anything bad, she can easily correct me. That is it. That's what marriage or anything relationship is all about. Men consider all those things, you understand? A woman that can correct them, a woman that can really correct them from bad to good, you understand? They always consider that kind of woman to marry, you understand? So a woman that cannot correct them, they'll say, oh, this one doesn't even know his left or his right, you understand? So no man wants to really go closer or to marry that kind of of a woman, you understand? So that is for that. Another we're going to look at is if add value to his life. If you add value to his life, why won't he marry you? If you add value to his life, why won't he marry you? There is no man on this earth that don't want to marry a woman that he had value to his life. There's no man. Every man wants to marry that kind of lady that adds value to his life. What are the values they're talking about? Maybe the man was in square one. Then when you come into the man's life, now things are moving good, things are moving faster, things are moving better than where he is before. Why would he marry you? He believes when you marry yourself, more good things are coming. Okay, but let's say for example now, when you just met you, both of you, the guy was not even having car, the guy have not won anything like contract. Even the guy was like in one room. You understand those things? So now you just started dating, you win contract. he has car, you know, you start building his house. Why won't he marry you? I'm telling the secret. He won't like to even love and marry you. You understand? Because why? You add value to his life, you contribute to his life, you bring success to his life, you bring good things to his life. There's no man that wants to marry a woman that bring bad luck. Let me put it that way, you understand? There's no woman, I'm telling you, men, they are very intelligent too. They used to observe very well, you understand? So if you're that kind of woman, you enter into a man's life, the man was even having like bicycle, and now he has nothing, or the man was like counting like thousands, and now he's not even counting anything, he's counting coins. So there's no man that wants to put that kind of woman at all, because he will consider you as a bad luck. Every time he'll be calling you different name, you understand? Since you come into my life, you have been a bad luck. There's nothing you contributed to my life, there's nothing you add to my life, you understand? He will not even when you called him, he will be running, because he doesn't want bad luck and barrier to his life, you understand? So that is what we all ladies have to pray for, you understand? So when you add value to a man's life, he will love to marry you, he will love to even make you his wife, you understand? So these are the words, a wicked point of a man, or things that men look into in the life of a lady they want to marry. Okay, so they are looking for a woman that can add value to their life, not the one that will come and destroy what they have. Okay, that is for that. Another one we are going to look at is what honest. Yeah, just be honest with him. Okay, don't lie, just be sincere, just be straightforward. Let your yes be yes, let your no be no. You understand? Just be honest with him. You understand? By the time you are honest with him, we consider you, yes, because men love those women who are really honest, who are just straightforward. You understand? Who are not lying. So that is for that. Another one is we are going to look at it was keep your promise. Yes, a lot of ladies they don't keep their promise. I know, yes, sometimes we are not good. That sometimes we used to make mistake, but always try to keep your promise. If you call him, oh darling, please, I'll be coming to your place, try much as possible to keep to that promise. You understand? Keep to the time, keep to the promise. Anything you promise him, you will do, or you can do. Just try much as possible to keep to that promise, because men they consider those things. If you're that kind of lady that doesn't keep to to his promise, you say, this one I've not even got married to this one. You are still dating. Look at the way he's behaving. He promised, you always pay. I've not seen any of the promise that he promised that you always fulfill. They will not even like to marry you or to consider you to marry. Understand? Because the man will be afraid. Let me be sincere with you. The man will be afraid. He will not even love to marry you. You understand? So these are the secrets about men if they want to marry a lady. These are the things that they look into. Okay, always you as a lady always try to keep your promise to your man. Okay, so that is for that. Another way we are going to look at is when he's happy. When he's happy being with you, yes, men they love this thing. There are some ladies that if they are in their life, they just have that natural that happiness inside them. You know, there are some ladies that will come to visit their guy. You know, the man will just be happy. We're not talking about money or anything. Just like that joy is inside the man. The man will just feel free, just feel cool. That joy, that happiness, will just be inside the man life. You understand? So men they always consider those things. They cannot stay with woman that whenever the woman is around, the man is not really happy inside. You can be pretending, but deep down inside the man is not happy. You understand? So if the man is happy when you are with him, yes, he will consider you to marry. You understand? He will consider you to marry. So that is for that. Let's look at another point again, which is show love with actions. Yes, show love with actions. So not I love you, no proof, nothing to show for it. I love you, my foot. You understand? So when you say you love somebody, you have to act. You have to do things that really matters. You understand? You love somebody, you need to be there for the person. You love somebody, you need to wish the person well. You love somebody, you need to contribute to the person's life. You understand? You love somebody, you have to keep the person's interest. So these are the actions you have to you prove. You understand? You love somebody, you have to pray for the person to be better. You know, for all those things. These are what love is all about. You understand? You cannot just say you love somebody and yet your love doesn't even prove. You understand? So you have to prove. If you really love your man, you have to really show that actions. Men consider all those things. You understand? this lady, she really loves me because she's there for me, she encouraged me, she do this, she do that, you understand? So not I just love you, just love you like that, without no actions, without no proof, nothing to show for it. When I have problem, the person that told me that he loved me will just run away, you understand? That is not love. Men, they are very smart, they will look at those characters, you understand? So they are looking for a woman that what that really love what them that really perform it in actions, you understand? So that is for that. Another way we're going to look at is what show appreciation. Yes, showing him what appreciation. What do I mean by that is that whenever like you do something for you, let's say for example maybe just coming back from work or from outside or anything like birthday or anything party, you just buy you some like wristwatch or gold or phone or handbag or anything like that. Oh, don't you know how to appreciate? Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, honey. Oh, I love this. I've been looking for this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You peck it. Mwah, 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 you know, you all hug him. You know, the way you perform, the way you perform, say, it will even make the man to really understand that, yes, you really appreciate those things he bought for you. You understand? It will show the man that, oh, what I really bought for this lady, she really appreciates it, you understand? Next time to even make the man to even buy you more, you understand? Maybe you just buy some kind of local things like food, like fruits or anything like that. The way you will show your appreciation, the way you will thank him, you understand? Next time you will have it in mind, oh no, I just bought her, you know, just ordinary fruits. You know, see how she was just happy, she will hug me, she peck me, you know. What about if I just marry her? I just buy her car. Oh, you know, heaven and earth will bear me witness that day, or heaven and earth will come together. You understand? So all those things, it make me want to really marry a woman that always appreciates them, even though it's little or big. You understand? So men, they love those things. You understand? Ladies, please try and learn what I'm trying to teach you this evening. Okay? So that is for what that. Another way we're going to look at is what be comfortable around him. You understand? So when you are comfortable around him, you know you are not like shy, you are not like somebody who is hiding some secret. Because if you are not comfortable with him, the man will be thinking, oh, this one, I don't know what is that problem. Anytime she come around me or she come to my house, the way she's behaving like somebody who is hiding some secret or one thing and the other, I'm really scared about this lady. You will not voice it out for you, but you will be thinking it inside his mind. You understand? So you as a lady, you have to what? Try much and possible to what? To be free when you are with a man. Try much and possible, because if you are not free and the way you are performing, the man can be thinking otherwise. You understand? You can be thinking, oh, maybe you are hiding some secret and all that with what? With yourself. You understand? So try much and possible to what? To be what? Free when you are with him. Or when the man is with you, try much and possible to what? To free yourself, okay? So men, they love those things. You cannot stay with a woman that is not free, that she doesn't free herself when you are with him. You just be doing somehow and all those things. So you'll be thinking, oh, maybe this woman, she's hiding some secret, or I'm scared, though, I don't think I can marry her, all those kind of things. Maybe if you have intention to even marry you, because the way you are performing and the way you are behaving, you understand, it will make him to be what? Scared. So these are for that. Another area we're going to look at is what? Interesting one. Yeah. Encourage him to succeed daily. Yes, encourage him to succeed daily. How are you going to do that as a lady? Let me give you the secret. Maybe both of you are not together. Maybe he just call you, sweetheart, how are you? How was your night? You say fine. You understand? Then you as a lady, there are some ways you speak into a man. Oh, that day will just be a blessed day for him. You understand? Oh, darling, okay, I wish you well. I wish you good luck. Go well. Your business is going to be booming today. You know, your business, you are going to make a lot of profit. Everything is going to be perfectly okay. You will go and come back successfully. Today's going to be a good day. Good news is going to come outside. You understand? So all these things, men love those things. You know that a man will just call you. You just be insulting. Hey, is it now you are calling me? What is it? Why are you disturbing me? All those kind of things. Men, they don't want to hear those things from woman. You understand? So you as a woman, anytime he called you, tell you good words, encourage him to succeed daily. Why would he marry you? Anytime he called you early in the morning, you give him good news. You understand? Oh, thank you, darling, for calling. I appreciate your effort of calling me. Good. Today is going to be successful. Today is going to be a blessed day. You understand? For you, today is going to be. You are blessed already. So those things, men look at those things. He encourage them. You understand? So why won't he marry you as a lady? Whereby he call you early in the morning, you tell him good things, you understand what you need to hear, not nagging, not bringing those issue of yesterday up again. You understand? He will love to marry you because you encourage him daily. How he's going to be successful. You pray for him. Oh, thank you, darling, for calling. You, everything will be fine. Oh, today is going to be a great day. I know you are going to be a great man. Everything is going to work out today. Don't worry, even though you don't have anything today. Tomorrow will be better than today. You understand? Go well. I wish you well. I wish you good luck. Why won't he marry you? You understand? Because you know that by the time he marry you, oh, you're going to even do more than that. You understand? So that is for that. Another again we're going to consider is what? Be calm when he's stressed. Yes, men, you know the men, they are just like tiger sometimes. Men, they are just like tiger. So when you look at the man that his mood, his face, or the way he appears to you is like today is not a good day. You understand? I bet you, my sister, a lady, you understand? Try much and possible to be calm. Don't just stress him more than that. Don't just go there because men sometimes they are very like lion. So anything you just do, they can just easily what spark and be what angry with you. You understand? So when you see your man is really being stressed off, please, you as a lady, try much and possible to be calm. Don't bring any issue up. Just forget about every other thing. Let the man be calm. Because by the time you stress him more than the stress that he have, it can easily lead to one thing and the other. You understand? Can lead to fight, can lead to quarrel, can lead to exchanging of words and all those things. You understand? So you as a lady, when you see that the man is very stressful, you have to calm down. Don't stress him more than that. Okay? You have to make sure everything. You have to do everything possible to calm him down. You understand? So there are so many ways you can calm a man down. That is, you know his weakening points. You understand? Don't add your own to it, because you add your own to it, what you're going to receive is beating, insult. You understand? All those violent ways you're going to receive from him. You understand? So that is for that. Another one again we're going to look at, don't pressure him. It's the same thing like I said before. You understand? Don't pressure him. Don't give him pressure. Any little things you pressure him, do this, do that. You know, some of those things. Men, they don't love pressure. Don't pressure, you know, any man. You understand? Because any man you pressure, you will not consider it to even marry you, because you say, this one, I've not even married her. Look at the way she's just pressuring me every time, every minute, every second. You understand? You pressure him to give him money. You pressure him to do things for you. You pressure him to, you know, all those things. You know, men, they don't love pressure. You understand? By the time you pressure them much, they will like to let go of you. You understand? Because you are just like a problem to them. They will look at that one day you push them to problems. You understand? They don't want to enter. So don't pressure any man. You understand? So another way again, we're going to look at what? Learn from your mistake. Yes. So men, they always look at those women that always learn from their mistake. You understand? What are your mistakes? Maybe you can make a mistake. You know, we human beings, we make a lot of mistakes in different areas in our life. You understand? Like maybe you're cooking, you mistakenly add more salt to it, all those things, or you just mistakenly insulted somebody, or you just mistakenly do some kind of stupid things. So by the time you learn, oh, I'm sorry, I know I just did wrong, I promise I will not repeat it again. You understand? Then maybe next time, you know, those things, you did not repeat those your mistake again. So men, they consider kind of woman that always take what correction quickly. You understand? You learn from your mistake fast. Not that you said you are sorry today, tomorrow sorry, next tomorrow sorry, next generation sorry. You know, so, oh, they say this one will never learn. You understand? She still remain the way she is. So men, they look at those characters very well. You understand? That you are the kind of person that always learn from his mistake. You understand? If you're that kind of person that you will not learn from your mistake, you will not love to marry you or to put you in the house. You understand? So you as a lady, you have to try much as possible to learn from your mistake fast. You understand? So another one again we're going to look at is what? Show him that you let go of things. You understand? Show him that you let go of things. What are the things you can show him that you let go of? Maybe both of you just have like misunderstanding or quarrel or one thing and the other. Then just forget after quarrel or exchanging words, you tell you what you like or what you don't like, that quarrel just come up. That moment, it just died with you. Understand? You never remember it, you never discuss it again. So if the man wants to really test you, to really know if you are a good material, you understand? Well, a woman material. Maybe one day he can just ask you, oh, darling, do you know what happened so and so time? You know, he's trying to bring what happened last time to you, trying to test you. If you're that kind of person that always keeps something in mind, you understand? That didn't let go of things. So you just say, forget about those things. Let go of it. I've let go of it. How can I be keeping those things in my mind? No, I cannot do that, and I don't keep those things in my mind. So men, they are very intelligent. They always look at those women that doesn't keep things, those angry or even things in their mind. They didn't keep it long or keep it in their mind yourself. So there are some women that generation upon generation they'll still keep it and be using it to be remembered the man. So men, they don't love this kind of character. They don't love women that will be remembering them of what he did or the bad thing that he did, all those kind of things. So they always love women that always let go of things before these arguments and quarrel, you understand? So that is for that. Another idea we're going to look at is what show him prove to him that you are committed. Yes, prove to him that you are committed. In a relationship, you have to prove, you have to show it. You have to show it to him that you are committed. You understand? That you are committed to him. He's the only man in your life. He's okay with you. All those kind of things. So you have to show and prove to him that you are committed. So men, they look at those characters too. They look at you as a lady. Oh, this lady, yeah, she's committed to me. Understand? She's very committed. They will know. You don't even need to use your mouth to say it, but they will test you and be observing you. You understand? So that is for that. Another one I'm going to look at is what? Listen to him as much as possible. Yes, listen to him as much as possible. Okay, let me explain a little. What do I mean by that? Maybe sometime in the evening, maybe both of you are just in bed or on phone, in anywhere, maybe just talking to you some kind of issues or what happened in his working place or what he's trying to achieve or one thing and the other, you understand? He's just talking to you, oh darling, do you know what happened or do you know what I want to achieve or to do? I don't know, I have this money, I don't know what I'm going to use it to do, but what is in my mind? I wanted to buy goods and start, this business or he'll just be talking to you, you understand? Okay, you as a lady that's supposed to like give him listening ear and all those things, you will not. Because definitely if you don't give him listening ear, don't listen to him as much as possible. Because he's going to ask you a question, hey, sweetheart, hey, I was telling you about business I was about to start. So what did you think about it? Should I start it or not? You understand? He's going to ask you a question. So you as a lady, you have to try much as possible to give him listening ear because he's going to ask you a question. By the time you ask a question, you cannot reply, you cannot, answer. You will just look at you. I'm just talking to this lady and he's not replying as in the way he's supposed to. Maybe the man is talking A, you are talking W or Z. It doesn't go together, you understand? So you consider this, he doesn't even have time to give, he doesn't give me listening here. It's like I'm fooling myself, I'm just talking. He's just thinking something else or I don't know what, you understand? So men, they love those women that listen to them, that always give them listening ear. So try much as possible, you as a woman, to what? Give him what? Listening time, you understand? Try much as possible to what? To listen to him, you understand? So that is for that. Okay, be able to be alone without him. That's another point again. Be able to be alone without him. Yes, you understand? You as a woman, you have to try much as possible sometimes to be alone without your fiancé or your boyfriend, you understand? You understand? Because the reason why I said so is that, let me explain. Men, they are very wise and intelligent. What do I mean by that is that they'll consider that if I marry this lady, she can stay without me sometimes. Yeah, if I marry her, maybe there's no children yet. I travel for contract or to travel to other city to go and work or other things. I believe she can stay if there's no children yet. Yes, they'll consider those things. But if you are a lady that cannot stay a second or a minute or a day or a week without your fiancé or your boyfriend, the man will be thinking, oh, if I make this lady as my wife and he cannot stay alone without me, you understand? How much more if I make her my wife? Can she stay? She'll be looking for somebody that come and stay with her or come and sleep with her or be around her, you understand? So this kind of thing can also lead to something else. The man will think twice about it. So you as a lady, try much as possible to be alone without him, you understand? Try much as possible to be alone without him. Sometimes, yeah, a week you can just be alone without him. Even sometimes he's trying to call you, can you come over? Oh, please, you know. Try much as possible to be alone. Sometimes you just to try, you just to like give you a trial. Let me see. You can, because the man will definitely know. You know, men they know characters of the ladies. You understand? Or the woman that they are dealing with. You understand? Ah, this my lady, she can stay alone without me. You understand? Or maybe you just put in house, maybe you go to work, you can stay alone. You didn't need find any company to come and stay with you. You didn't find any sister or friends to come and be there for you. You understand? So men they will consider those things. You understand? That if they get married to you, you can also stay alone if there's no children, if they travel to anywhere. You understand? They will have that peace of mind in them that, oh, this lady, she can stay alone. You understand? So these are the things that what men look into if they want to get married to a lady. You understand? Because they don't want to get married to a lady that cannot stay alone. They will be afraid wherever they are that, oh, this lady, she has never been alone. She doesn't like to even stay alone. She always wants people to be around her. So she'll be thinking that you can be cheating, you can be finding somebody else, or you can go to any place to find, to stay. So these are what men consider. Okay. So that is for that. Another one again we are going to look at is what, let him know your expectation. Let him know your expectation. Yes, let him know what you have in mind as a lady. Let him know what you are planning in life. Let him know what you are about to do for yourself. You understand? So why do I say so is that, you know, a lot of men, they want to really know what is in your mind and what are your plans. Because why they want to know is that if they are capable, or if they are able to do those things for you, or if they can do it for you. You understand? So you understand? So like you, for example, you as a lady, there are some things that you want to achieve or you want to really get from the man. You understand? So you have to let him know those things. If you let him know, the man will think about it within himself. You understand? You decide within himself if he can move with you or not. You understand? Let him know your expectation as a lady. You understand? What you really want, how do you want the relationship to go, or what you really want the man to do. You understand? So that is for that. If then the man will consider if he can stay or if he can go, or if he can make you his wife or no. So men they normally look at those things, what the woman would expect. You understand? So that is for that. Another one again we are going to look at is what, challenge him. Yes, you will be surprised. What? Challenge what? A man that you want to, yes, challenge him. I will explain better. What do I mean by that? Challenge him means that sometimes a man can do something stupid. A man can do, everybody, we are not perfect, that. So a man can do some kind of character that is not good. So you, as I've said that before, you as a woman, you have to also correct him. It's like changing him for a better, you understand? For a better person. You understand? It will also keep your own interest, you understand? From every other ladies. Let's say for example now both of you are just going outside, you understand? The way you look at the other lady, or the way you just behave outside, you don't like it, you understand? Or the way you just insulted an elderly man. Maybe the elderly man did not even do something wrong to that instant. You as a woman say, what is that? You understand? You just like shock, and you just want to correct it immediately. You understand? Because you have to correct him. You understand? Men, they look at those things very well. They don't say, oh, this girl, she's very intelligent. Because in time you sit yourself down, the man will sit himself down. Oh, what I just did today, it was really bad of me. You understand? Oh, thank God, and this lady just really speaks sense to me. You understand? It just really made me to realize my mistakes, and I'm really happy. You understand? Why would he marry you? You understand? A woman that can make him to realize his mistake, he will love to marry you, because you will think you are not a fool. You are a woman that knows his value, and a woman that knows what he's doing. There are some women you can even differentiate if you can even differentiate if you know his left or if you know his right. Everything is just like, let me say, that way around, like, you understand? So if you are that kind of woman, he do something stupid or anything like that, challenge him. Oh, honey, please, this is just, I don't like it, don't do it next time again. I don't like it. You understand? So it will make the man to realize that there are some things you like and there are some things you don't like, you don't joke with. You understand? So that is what, challenge him. You understand? You challenge it to keep your interest, and it will even make him not to look at other women. You understand? Not to have interest in other women. You understand? Yes. So that is for that. Another one we're going to look at is what, be sexually or pleading. Let me tell you the secret about men. I know men will be saying, ah, this lady I revealed their secret. It's true, I'll reveal your secret to a lady. May I will reveal your secret to women out there so that they can learn, they will know your weak points and all those things. So what do I mean by the what be sexually what pleading is that sometimes just ask your man, oh sweetheart, darling, you ask him like, what is your weak point? Part of his body now. There must be place that you love when you touch. Oh, you shock, all those kind of things. So you just like, oh sweetheart, he will tell you, okay, when you peck me here, or when you peck me, or when you kiss me here, or when you touch my chest, or when you go down this kind of thing. So you must every man they have their what their secret, their place, you can twinkle or touch that will make them want to be, so if you're not good then you understand. So these are the what secrets about them. So you as a woman you have to what learn those things, you understand. So by the time you learn those things, then you also have to what change styles for bed and all those things, you understand. So men they love those kind of things. They don't like woman that is very boring on bed, that's not interesting, all those kind of things. So by the time you are very interesting on bed, you change styles and his weak point, where to touch him that will make his body to be on mountain. My dear, I would love to have you as his wife because you know his weak point, you know the main points, about the guy. So, all those things, may consider it because it's this lady, she always make me happy, even when I'm on top of bed, even when I'm not ready for those things. You know how to touch me, how to peck me, how to romance me, all those kind of things. So, men, let me see, in sex area, they are they consider, you understand, they consider it very well, you understand, when they come to marry, if they want to marry a lady, you understand, when they want to make a woman their wife, so they consider those things very well. So another one you are going to look at is what accept him. Yes, accept him for who he is, you understand. So a man that wants to marry a woman, he will look at the woman and say, oh, did this woman really accept me for who I am? You understand? Yes, you have to ask yourself that question. The man has to ask himself that question. You understand? This lady, does it really accept me the way I am? There are some ladies, they can be pretending, they can just like be there, like, you understand? They will not even accept the man the way he is. So the man will ask himself, this woman, does it really accept me the way I am? There are some women, they will not accept the way the man is. They just want, maybe the guy is not rich like that and all those things, or maybe he's not cute. So they'll say, no, I cannot accept this kind of guy. He's not cute. Does he have money? All those things, you understand? So why there are some ladies that will just accept you the way you just are. Even though you have money, or you are handsome, you are not handsome, just love the way you are, you understand? So men, they look at those things in woman life. A woman that can accept them for whom they are, you understand? You understand not what they have. A woman that can really accept them. We are not talking about handsome or all those things. A woman that just accept them naturally the way they are, with their characters, with their behavior, with everything about them. You understand? So a man wants to marry that kind of woman that accepts them the way they are, not the one that does not accept them the way they are. You understand? They want to try to change things for them, so they don't consider that kind of women. You understand? So another one we are going to look at is what surprising. Yeah. Sometimes you ladies now, you don't have to be waiting for the man to surprise you every time. You as a lady, you have to also try to surprise the man. You understand? Surprising. There's so many ways you can surprise a man. Let me give you some points whereby you can surprise a man. Maybe sometimes you have the same key for the house and all those things. You don't even bother to call him. You understand? You just decided to go to the house. You with your money, you prepare delicious soup and all those things, pounded yam and all, one portable thing, so you just buy him like a wristwatch. Let's first of all, let me give you the first example. Just go to the house, you prepare delicious food, and maybe the man was not even having food at home. Maybe we just, if I'm coming back from work, I'll just buy food and come and eat like that, or I'll just eat from outside, all those kind of things. So by the time you just open the door, you see the way you arrange the dining, with delicious food. Which man would not love that? There's no man that would not love that. So I'm telling you the secret. So just like surprise, wow, darling, you prepared this. How? With how? No, I just prepared it with my money. Why would the man love you? He will love you. He to, because you know that if he marry you, you are going to give him more surprise in marriage. You understand, when he marry you. So he would love to marry you because why? It just surprises him. Not only once, not twice. You know, you always give him different type of surprises. If it is you, why won't he would love to marry you, you understand? So another one again, maybe you just go outside. You cannot be waiting for celebration time like Valentine and other things, okay? So sometimes you just go outside, you just see fine wristwatch, you just buy him. Oh, darling, are you at home? You say yes. Okay, okay. Open the door, you know. You just say, oh, darling, I don't know if you like this. I just bought you wristwatch. I just bought you t-shirt. You know, I don't know if you like it, you understand? The man was, wow, I wasn't expecting this. And I wasn't even having enough busters, or I'm not even having enough shirts, or even my wristwatch that I have are spoiled. You know, the man was just like surprised. Wow, I love this. Men love surprise, you understand? Try much as possible to what? To surprise your man. So men love those things that and the men, they love women that surprise them with good things, you understand? You know, they will love to like, oh, this woman, she just surprised me. By the time I get married to her, oh, you'll be surprised. Maybe you buy me a car, you understand? So these are the things that men love about what? About the ladies they want to get married to. They consider it very well. They love women that always surprise them, you know. You understand? Good surprise, you understand? Those pleasant surprise. So that is for that. Another one again we are going to look at is what? Make him laugh. Yes, yes, yes. Make him laugh. Yes. Sometimes just find one joke and the other to just say to me. You understand? Just push your head. Why are you pushing my head now? Come on, go away. Or you just like hit his head. Why did you just do that? I just beat mosquito. I just beat fly. You understand? You say, my head, all those kind of things. Just make him laugh. Just try much as possible. You as a lady to make what the man laugh. Men love those things. You understand? You always make them laugh because laugh is very good. You understand? Not sadness. So laughing, all those things. Men love it. You understand? So that is for that. Try much as possible to make your man to laugh, so that we appreciate it. You understand? So another one we are going to know is we are going to look at is what? Know your role as a woman. Yes, you as a woman, try much as possible to know your role. Everybody have his own role. The man have his own role to play. You as a woman, you have your own role to play. What do I mean by that? For example, now you go to his house, then maybe like Saturday, I know you're not going to work, you're not going anywhere, but you just sleep in 11 or 12. Come on. It will just like deep down inside in my heart. You just be thinking, oh, if I marry this lady, you're just sleeping like this. What about if you have children and all those things? I'm going to work. How is he going to be able to cope? You understand? How is he going to be able to cope with the children, with me, and all those things? You will just sleep like 4 o'clock in the evening. You understand? So if you are at home like that as a lady, you don't need to sleep much long like that. You understand? You have to wake up early, do your normal domestic things, wash or whatever you need to wash, clean up yourself as a lady, all those things, you understand? So men, they look at those things very well, you understand? They look at those things very well. You know your role. As a woman, you know your role. The man don't need to use mouth to tell you what to do before you do them. You understand? Why would you marry? You would love to marry because what? You know your role, you know your stand, you know what you understand. So that is it. There are some women, they don't know. You every time you don't want the man to be telling you do this, do that, do this. You know, the man will fed up. You understand? So no man wants to do that. So at least you as a woman, you don't need anybody to tell you what to do as a woman. You know how things is for you as a woman. So you have to maintain it, clean everything up, prepare food, everything, you understand? So men look at those things if they want to get married to a lady. They look at those things. They don't want a woman, they don't want to get married to a woman that they'll be correcting, they'll be telling things before they do. So you as a woman, you have to do things by yourself, you understand? You know your role, you do your role very well, perfect. So why won't he marry you? We would love to marry you. You understand? So another one again we are going to look at is what? Use what he gave to you. Yes. That is what a lot of mistakes we women we used to make. Yes. Use what he gave to you. Let's say for example you buy you like human hair or gold or jewelry or earring, anything, you know, like that. Just buy you gift. Try much as possible, or clothes or gowns, you know, or a pair of shoes. Try much as possible to use it, because by the time you use it, you will know that, oh, you really love it, you understand, you appreciate it, and by the time you put it on when you are going to his house, you look gorgeous. Or even though you are not even going to his house, or you just use it to dress yourself, you snap the picture, you send it to him. Oh darling, I just sent you pictures. You know, you say, what kind of picture is that? You look at it, that the gown or the dress that he bought for you, the way you dress with it, you are just like an angel. The man will smile, the man will have that joy. So by the time you buy something, you don't make use of it, you don't use it. Instead, you even give to your friends, or you give it out. The man will not be happy. I'm telling you the secret. You understand? He will not tell you. He will not even tell you. There are some men that will never open their mouth and tell you. You understand? So anything the man buy for you, always try much as possible to use it. You understand? So when you use it, it will encourage the man that, oh, maybe you appreciate it, you love it. You understand? It will also encourage the man to buy you what more. You understand? Then it will also encourage the man too. You understand all those things? So these are for that. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of points in. There are much. If the man wants to really marry a lady, there are a lot that the man will consider very well before he will decide, say, oh, I want to marry this lady. Men, they are very smart and intelligent when they come to select wife. If they want to make a wife, they are very intelligent. They take their time, they take their years to look at those things. So this character I just mentioned is the weakening point, or is the secret about men if they want to really settle down with a woman. So you as a lady, try much as possible to advise to this point I just bring out. I bet you will never regret it. The man will be surprised. How did this lady know these things? How did they know these things? Yes, you understand? So you as a lady, you have to learn one or two things about men, what men really love, what they hate, how to handle them, how to to make peace with them, and all those things. So these are the characteristics that men love. You understand? Especially they want to make you as their wife. So if you want them to make you as their wife, so you have to abide, and there are some rules which I just mentioned out here that you can do. You understand? That will make them to love you and love to marry you. You understand? So that is for that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you have any questions, or if you have anything to ask me questions, please don't hesitate. Just write it in my YouTube channel, comment there, then I'll give you reply. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me, listening to me, trying to learn from me, trying to know 1, 2, or 3 things from me. I appreciate everything. Okay, God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.